Hi everyone, it's Sam. I'm sorry I've been a little distant lately. I have been busy with school and I just came back home for the holidays. So I had some time to make a new video. Today I will be reviewing the new Eau de Juice perfume that I recently got, and it is a fragrance that is supposed to smell like cotton candy and very sweet. So I'm excited to do a quick little review for you guys, so stay tuned. Let's get to the video. So I got this from Ulta. It wasn't too expensive. It was a pretty medium priced fragrance, and I got the 1.7 ounce fragrance, and I love the packaging. It's so cute. It's supposed to look like a juice box, and it smells like pure sugar apparently. It reminds me of the pink sugar fragrance, if you guys know what I'm talking about. It's really popular. It got sold out really quickly, and this is pretty easy to find in any store like Nordstrom, Ulta, Sephora, I'm pretty sure, and at an affordable price. It is floral fruity. It is described as a love potion of wild strawberry and sparkling pink grapefruit, and sexy plum blossom wrapped in energetic pink pepper, which is 33%, and a bouquet of jasmine sambac. It's supposed to make people blush, and I love how the packaging acts like an ingredient list, which is really cute. This is what the packaging looks like. I'm gonna open it right here. I'm really excited to try this fragrance because I've been running out, and this is what the packaging is. It's served by Cosmopolitan. Here is split in two. I absolutely love the packaging. It's literally set into a juice box. It's a little difficult to take out. Now I got the scissors. Let me see. This will be easier. And here is the adorable Eau de Juice pure sugar fragrance. I love how simple it is. It really looks like a juice box. You can spray at the back here. It is a 1.7 fluid ounce. It's just so simple and adorable to put on your vanity. I absolutely love it. Without further ado, let's see what it smells like. I'm gonna give my first spritz on my wrist. Oh my goodness, that really smells like pure sugar. It's really fresh. It's really refreshing to smell. It really clears your mind. It smells a little bit like laundry detergent, which in a good way. It is a fresh, fruity fragrance. You can definitely smell the jasmine in there. A lot of plum blossom for sure. It really does also smell like wild strawberry. It smells a little bit like wild strawberry and champagne mixed together. I really love the fragrance. I think this should last a pretty good amount. I'm gonna do a wear test, but I have read reviews that it does last a while, and I think this is just a really cute fragrance to carry around. It's small enough. I think they do come in roller bowls, and overall, I think this is a great fragrance for just a simple, fresh person to wear if they want to feel refreshed and rejuvenated. This would be a really great fragrance, and I highly recommend it. So let me know if you have any questions, and if you're willing to try this, leave it in the comments below, and I will see you guys all next time. Bye.
No man. She like the bud with the big old chains, ride around town in the big old range. I knew it when I rock big old chains, not a little doing big old things.